Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you how to check your window version in Windows 11. If you want to know which version, edition or build of Windows you are using, the quick tutorial will help you find in just few seconds. So let's get started. Firstly, press Windows plus R to open the run box. Now type in caps lock WINVER, then press OK. A new window will appear showing Windows version. Here it is. OS build number, window edition. Now you can easily see which version of Windows is installed on your PC or laptop. Alternative method using settings. Go to start menu. Here you will type for settings. Then click on system. Then scroll down till last and click on about. Here you will find device name, processor, installed RAM, device ID, edition, version, installed on, OS build, experience, and all things. That's it. That's how to check window version in Windows 11. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.